Hi everyone! Today I'll be making pickled beet eggs. Dave doesn't like beets, so you know me, he's gonna love me. What all goes into the pickled beet eggs? 10.5 ounces or 2 cups of sliced pickled beets. Reserve the liquid. 6 large eggs, hard-boiled and peeled. 1 1/4 cups cider vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar. It's close enough.
1 cup granulated sugar.
1 tablespoon pickling spice. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. 1/2 cup water. 1 6-inch cinnamon stick. This is 3 inches, so I'm going to use 2 of them. So let's begin. I do love pickled eggs, and so I thought, why not? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our pickled beet slices and our hard-boiled eggs and alternate them. Okay, and then we're going to put in like 2 eggs. And then we're going to put some more beets. You can double this recipe, you can triple the recipe. So I thought, well, to start with, I'm going to do a smaller jar, and then if we like this, then I can make it again and make more. Okay, so the last 2 eggs go in. There's definitely a lot more beets per egg ratio. Set that aside. Take a medium saucepan, dump in your 1/2 cup reserved beet juice, your cider vinegar. Okay, then add your 1/2 cup of water and your 1 cup of granulated sugar, your 1 tablespoon of pickling spice, your 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and your 1 6-inch cinnamon stick. I have 2 3-inches. Turn your heat to medium high and bring to a boil, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves, about 5 minutes. So it is boiling. We're going to reduce the heat down to low and simmer until the brine deepens in color and reduces slightly, about 15 minutes. Take out the cinnamon sticks. And then carefully pour your brine into the jar. I always make messes. I'm going to just pour it into this measuring cup, then I'll pour it into the jar. So let me do that, and then I'll be right back. I don't know if all of this brine will fit into the jar. It needs to cover everything. If you don't have enough, we do have some reserved beet juice that we can add to it. Make sure everything goes in there, the pickling spices and everything. Looks like I have a little bit more than necessary. Normally, you wouldn't go up above this line here. We are not canning them. We are just sticking them in the refrigerator. So that's okay. Let this sit and cool to room temperature for 30 minutes. All right, so it's come to room temperature. Put on the lid and refrigerate this until the eggs are sweet, tangy, and have a vivid purple. At least 3 days for up to 2 weeks. Refrigerate until you're ready to serve. So here are the pickled beet eggs. Rounding out the meal is ground water buffalo gravy over mashed potatoes and a butter biscuit. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I think something's wrong with my glasses.
No, nothing's wrong.
Wait, you stain them with beets or something?
Taste it and find out.
You stained it with beets.
Those are pickled beet eggs. So yes, I stained it with beets. I told you I would fix beets for you sometimes. And if you want, I have some beets here if you want to eat some beets.
Oh, no, thank you.
You don't even want one?
Not really. This is pickled beet enough. Well, the egg kind of offsets it a little bit. It's not as bad as just eating a raw beet, but you know, it kind of grows on me a little bit. I still don't think I like a beet, but
Well, that's the way the Pennsylvania Dutch makes their pickled eggs. And I only did it that way because I told you I was going to fix beets for you.
really not that bad. I don't know that I'd want them again. If you cooked them again, I would eat them again, but I don't think I would request them. That makes sense. But they're not bad.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.